Let's learn the left hand of Gethsemane. We're going to start with our thumb on F, 5 fingers over 5 notes. And we're just going to start with a thumb, which is F. And we're going to do a little boomerang, which means we throw it down and it comes right back to us. Let's play it all together now. With the words, it sounds like this. Gethsemane. We're actually going to do that boomerang one more time for the next set of words. Jesus loves me. Now we're going to go on to the roller coaster. We're going to drop our pinky down to B flat, which is the top of those 3 blacks. We're going to play the bottom. We're going to climb up the hill of that roller coaster all the way to the top. And then we're going to slide back down to almost the bottom. So one more time, bottom, top, and almost bottom. With the words, it'll sound like this. So he went willingly. One more time. So he went willingly. To end, we're going to stay here on this B flat position, and we're just going to go bottom up to middle. With the words, it sounds like this. To Gethsemane. One more time. To Gethsemane. Great, let's put it all together. We'll start with our boomerang. Gethsemane. Another boomerang. Jesus loves me. Here comes the roller coaster, starting on B flat. So he went willingly. Now our tiny little hill, bottom to middle. To Gethsemane.